Hello students, today we will start with the chapter first of maths, which is knowing our numbers. We use the numbers in our daily life. If you are asked that count the number of the students present in your class, then you can count them easily and tell to the teacher that these many students are present in your class. But if you have to talk about the large numbers, which are in thousands, 10,000s, crores, 10 crores, so we will study about these numbers today. First of all, we should know how to compare the numbers. We can compare the numbers by telling that this number is greater and this number is smaller. So first of all, we will tell which is the greatest among these of the following given numbers. In your first part, you can see that 47, 193, 429 and 457, 4 and 2 is given to you. You can easily tell that which number is greater by telling the digits of the numbers. Like 47 is a 2-digit number, 193 is 3-digit, 4829 is 4-digit, and 57482 is 5-digit number. So greater the number of the digits are in the number, you can say that it is a greater number. So in the first part, we can easily say that this 57,482 is the greatest number. But what about if we are given the numbers randomly, like 284, 89,748, 9,487. So in this also we can compare the digits of the numbers and can tell that 89,743 is the greatest number because it is 5-digit number which is greater from all these digits. Now if we are given with the same number of digits, like in this question we are given, in these all parts we are given with the 4-digit numbers. We have to tell which number is greatest and which number is smallest. In this we will circle out the greatest number and we will make the box for the smallest number. So let's start with this. First of all, we can compare the number by the digits which we have done earlier. Now if the numbers are given in a same number of digits, then first of all we can compare the first of the digits. Like in this they are 4 number digits, means they are ones, tens, hundred, thousands. So we can compare about the thousand place of the digits. In this it is given 4, 9, 5, 3 and 8. So which is the smallest from all these? 3 is smallest. So we can easily say that 3,241 is the smallest number from all these numbers. And which is greatest? Again, we can compare by the first digit of these given digits of these given numbers like 4, 9, 5, 8. So here 9 is the greatest digit. So we can circle it and tell it that this is the greatest digit. Now what will you do if the first digit is same of all the numbers? Here in the second part you can say that all the digits are of same number, means all numbers are of 4 digits and the first 4 digit is 8 in all these numbers. So what we will do in that case, we will compare with the second of the number, means if there is 4-digit number, ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So we will compare with 100 place of the digit. So in this it is 9, this is 7, this is 5, this is 8, this is 3. So among all these you can say that 3 is the smallest digit. So 8,321 is smallest number. And which will be the greatest one? 8,904 will be the greatest number. are now in the third part, randomly numbers are given. In these, not even the number of digits are same, or not even the first we can tell about any place of the numbers. So first of all, we will count the digits of the number. In this, there are this is 4-digit number. Second one is 5-digit number. Third one is 3-digit number. Fourth one is 4-digit number, and last one is 3-digit number. So which will be the smallest number? The 3-digit number, because in this we can't see the 2-digit number or 1-digit number. It means 3-digit number is the smallest. And here we can see two 3-digit numbers, which is 100 and 310. From this we can easily say that from 100 and 310, 300 is the smallest one. So from the third part we can say that 100 is the smallest digit. Now we will talk about the greatest number. What will be the greatest number from these? As we have seen that we have compared about the digits of the numbers. This is 4-digit, this is 5-digit, and this is 4-digit. So 5-digit number will be the greatest, and there is no other 5-digit number, so we are not able to compare it with the other digit. So we can easily say that 29,423 is greatest number. Now we will talk about the fourth part. In this also, first you will compare the digits of the number. First number is 2,853. This is a 4-digit number. 7,691 is also a 4-digit number. 9,999 is also a 4-digit number. 12,002 is 5-digit number, and 124 is 3-digit number. So if we talk about the smallest number, we can easily say that there is only one 3-digit number, so it will be the smallest one. So 123 is the smallest number from this part. Now we will talk about the greatest one. So we can easily say that these three are 4-digit number, but this is the 5-digit number, so it is the greatest one. Now we will move to the next topic. If you are given some digits, and it is said that you have to make the numbers from these digits. See here, 7, 8, 3, 5 is given to you. You have to make the numbers from these digits by using these digits. So how many numbers you can make from these digits? So many numbers we can make. Start with this. 7, 8, 3, 5. We can write it as it is. 7, 8, 3, 5 is one of the number. Now shuffle all these numbers, all these digits to make the numbers. 4-digit number. Here I shuffle 8, then 3, 5, 7. You can make these digits by shuffling the places of these digits. Now if we are asked to make 4-digit greatest number from these given digits, or to make the smallest digit from these given digits, how will make the greatest number from these digits? Simple, we have to start writing the greater one from these given digits. We can say that 8 is greater, so we will write it at first place. Then the smaller one from 8 is 7. So we will write after 8 is 7, then 5, and then 3. So by using these 4 digits, we can say that this is the greatest number we can obtain from this. Now we will talk about the smallest number we can make from these digits. So similarly, we use the greatest one from the start. In this we will use the smaller one from the start. So we can say that 3 is the smaller one. So we will write it as first place 3. Then 5 is greater than 3. Then we will use 5. Then 7. Then 8. So we can easily say that 3, 5, 7, 8 is the smallest digit by using these given digits. These are the digits in which no zero was given. suppose one of the digit from these is given to be 0. How can you make the numbers? We can easily make the 4-digit number from these also, but we can't use 0 at the first place. Why we can't place the 0 at very first place? Because if we place the 0 at the first place, then it will become a 3-digit number. We will read it out as 754, which is not a 4-digit number. So we will always use 0 either at the second place, third place or fourth place for the 4-digit number. Here as I use 0 at the 100th place or at the 10th place or at the unit place. You can make these numbers, but also many of the numbers from these, but never use 0 at the first place as it will become 3-digit number. Here also we have to take the smallest from these given digits. As we have done earlier, we should start with the smaller one. So should we place 0 at the smallest at the first place, then 4 is the greater, then 5 and at last 7. But can we say that this is the smallest 4-digit number? This is not 4-digit number. As I told you earlier, it will be numbered as 457. So here also we should not use 0 as at the first place. So we should use the second smaller number from these. As after 0 we can use 4 at the first place. So we will use 4 at first place, then we can use 0 to make it smaller number. So 4057 will be the smallest from these digits. Now we have to make the greatest number. So it is simpler to make. We have to first use 7 as it is greater one, then we will use 5, then we will use 4 and then we will use 0. Here 0 will not create any problem because 0 is at last and we can say that it is a 4-digit number. So for finding the greatest number we have no problem with the 0. We can place it at the last easily. Up to now we have made the digits a 4-digit number from the given 4 digits. But now if we have to make the 4-digit numbers from the given 3 digits, then what we will do? We have to use any of the digit twice to make the number 4-digit number. Here 8, 5, 1 is given to you. Then we can make 8, 5, 1 as 4-digit number. Here we are using 8 twice. We can make 8, 5, 5, 1 as the 4-digit number, or we can use 8, 5, 1, 1. And also we can shuffle the places of the digits to make 4-digit numbers. Now we have to make the 4-digit greatest number from these given 3 digits. How can we make? For the greatest number we will use 8 twice. So as 8 is the greater one, so we can write 8, 5, 1 as the greatest, and for the smaller one we will use the smaller of these digits twice. So we can say that 8, 5, 1, 1 is the smallest 4-digit number from these given 3-digit numbers. In the case of 0, how we will use or how we will twice any of the digit to make 4-digit numbers. In this also we will not use 0 at the first place. We can place it at 10th place, unit place or 100th place easily. So we can write 4099, 4990 and so on. We can make the 4-digit number by twising any of the digits from these numbers. Here also we have to use the greatest. We have to make the greatest from these 3-digit numbers. So how will make? We will first use for the greatest digit, we will use 9 as it is greater from all these digits. So 9, then we will use 4 and we can easily use the 0 twice to make the number, yes, we will use, no. In this we will, for the greatest digit, we will use 9 twice to make the number greatest. So we will use 9 as 2 times, because from these 3 digits we have to twice any of the number. So we will twice the number 9 to get the 4-digit number to be the greatest. Then we will use 4 and then we will use 0. So it will be the greatest 4-digit number from these given 3 digits 0, 4 and 9. Now here we have to make the smallest from these given digits. Here in the starting also we cannot use 0, 0 or any of the single 0, because it will not be a 4-digit number. So we will use 0, 0 at the last. So to make first from in that kind of situation we will use the second of the greater number. So it is 4. So we will put 4 at the first place. If we twice 4, if we twice 4, then it will be not the smallest number. So we have to use, after 4 we should use 0, 0 twice to get the smallest number. So we will use 4, 0, 0 and the left one is 9, because we have to use all the 3 given digits. So 4, 0, 0, 9 will be the smallest 4-digit number. Now what we will do if any place is fixed? Like we have to use the numbers from 1 to 9. Any of the numbers we can use, but we will not use any of the number twice. We have to use only once. And also if the place is fixed, if any place is fixed, then how we will make the greatest and the smallest digits. In this first part we can see that unit place is fixed in both the numbers, for the greatest one and for the smallest one. As 7 is placed at the unit place, so we will not use 7 at any other place for making the number. So for the greatest number, from where we should start to make the number? We should use starting 9, 8, 7 like this. So we will make the number by using 9, 8. We can't use 9 at the second place because we can't twice any number. So 9, 8, then we should put 7, but 7 is earlier given at the unit place. So we will use after 7, what is the smaller number? 6. So we will use 6 at the 10th place. Once place is fixed at 7, from the start we will start in the greater of the greatest of the numbers, which is 9, 8, then 7 is used here, so we will put here 6. For the smallest digit, we can use 0 to 9 now. 0 is also a digit. So for the smallest number, should we put 0 at the first place? No, we will not place, because we have to make the 4-digit numbers. So always put 0 at the second of the place. You can put 0 at the second of the place, and as I told you earlier, use the digit greater than 0. So 1 is greater from all these 0 to 9 numbers. So we will put 1 at first place, then 0, then 2. So we can say that 0, 1, 2 these are used here, and 7 is fixed here. Now we move to the next part. Here 4 is placed at 10th place in both the cases, for the greatest one and for the smallest one. Here also we will use the same procedure. We will put 9 at the first place, then 8 at the 7th place, as we are not using any number twice. This place is fixed, 10th place is fixed, so at once we will place 7. So the greatest digit will be 9, 8, 4, 7, when 4 is fixed here. Here 7 is fixed, here 4 is fixed. And now we have to make smallest. Again we will not use 0 at the first, so we will use 1, then we will place 0, 4 is fixed here, so after 0 at 1 we will place 2. We will get the smallest digit number if 4 is fixed at 10th place. Now next one is if 9 is placed at the 100th place. 100th place. Greatest is we have to make the greatest number. Now we can't use 9 here because 9 is already here. So we will use here 8 because 8 is smaller than 9. So 8, 9, then what we will use? 8 is used, 9 is 8 we have placed here, then 7 and then 6. So it will be the greatest number if 9 is fixed at the 100th place. Now we have to make the smallest number if 9 is fixed at 100th place. So from the start, from the smaller number which is 0, from 0, 1, 2 we have to place like that. Again we can't place 0 here, so we will place 1 here, then we will place 0 because 0 is not used up to now for the smallest, to make the smallest number. So 0, 1 and then 2 will be placed at the last. So the smallest number will be 1902 if 9 is placed at the 100th place. Now we have to make the greatest 4-digit number if 1 is placed at the thousandth place. So for the greatest number, we start using 8, 9, 7 like this. So we will place 9 here, then 8, then 7. So we will simply get our greatest 4-digit number if 1 is fixed at the 1000th place. Now we have to make the smallest number if 1 is placed at 1000th place. So 1 is here. So we will start using 0, 1, then 2, 3, 4. So we will place here 0 as 1 has been used earlier. So we will place here 2, then 3. So it will be the smallest number if 1 is placed at the 1 is fixed at the 1000th place. So this was the topic for today. Hope you can do your exercise.